Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I'm a good fashion travel lifestyle lovers and a lot more, and welcome back to another video. So I recently did a M Caffeine review. Like, I reviewed a lot of their products and you guys loved that video, so I thought let me do another range. So in this video, as you must have read by the title, I'm going to be reviewing Pilgrim's red wine range. So Pilgrim, I think, has 2 or 3 ranges, and the red wine is their most famous range. I have worked with them in the past for a few of their products, but I ordered a bunch more products just to try out and test out and give you my honest reviews in this video. This video is not by any way sponsored. Even the products which I have received in the past, I have repurchased them, so you can't even say that they have sent them to me. So it's all me to you, and the reviews will be 100% honest and will be mine. So if you want to know what are my reviews on this product, so let's get started. So I quickly wanted to show you the number of products I have from this range, and now let's talk about them one by one. So let's start with the hand and nail cream. So I have already showed it to you in my May favorites, I guess, and this is a really good hand cream. This is how the packaging looks like. In general also they have like a very beautiful packaging which is purple and black. So this is the texture of the hand cream, and let me just swatch it. It just melts like a dream. I'm taking like very less product because we have a lot of products to swatch. This is like a very nice moisturizing hand cream, and this is a great hand cream if you're looking for one. There are a lot of more hand creams in the market which are quite similar to this but are like way cheaper than this, so it just depends on what you're looking for. But in general, this is a great hand cream, and there are a lot of high-end companies also which do amazing hand creams. This is like comparable to them also, but unke hisab se dekha jaye to it's very cheap. So I will give this product 3.5 on 5 because it's really nice. We have one more body product, then we'll move to the face because we have a lot of face products. So this is the Pilgrim's body lotion. The texture of this is so lightweight. Guys, I'm not kidding. This is like my favorite summer body lotion, I will say. The texture is really, very soft and smooth, and you will just see it just blends like a dream. Personally, I've shown you a lot of body lotions and body butters on this page, but I have never shown you anything this lightweight. This is like the lightest body lotion I've ever tried, and by light, it does not mean that it dries down your skin and it does not moisturize for long. This moisturizes for like good 10 to 12 hours. I'll say even 24 hours. The moisturization is great, but the texture is so lightweight. It's so good, and it's so worth the money. I'll say I'll give it a 5 on 5. Okay, you guys, next up is the face wash. This is the Pilgrim face wash. This is how the packaging looks like. Most of their products have like this kind of packaging, like you click from here and it just opens and then you can use it. So about this face wash, I have shown it to you like earlier also. This is a great face wash. I have used like half of it. It's really good. It has like very little bit of beads, and I think it really helps in exfoliating your skin. It's not exfoliator. We do get a lot of harsh exfoliator face washes in the market. This is not at all harsh. It won't really exfoliate your skin, but it will just feel great on your skin. And this is a great face wash. I love using it. I personally enjoy using face washes which are like foamy and nice, and this definitely forms a nice foam. I will give this product a 4 on 5. Also, I want to tell you something about the Pilgrim code. So all their products are like 100% vegan, cruelty free, no animal testing, tested by friends and family, FDA approved, and no toxic chemicals, 100% safe, no parabens, no sulfate. It's the Pilgrim code. All of their products have these amazing features, so that's amazing. Okay, so next up I have a face mist and toner. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes like in a spray form. Personally, I am so happy that it's a toner and it's like in a spray form. I just love to apply toner, but the only bummer I face with most of the toners is they do not come in a spray. And like a toner like this which comes with the spray, you can apply it over your makeup also. Let me just do it. This just feels so good on my face. This toner, I'll give it a 4.5. It's a really good toner, and it's very nicely built. Also, this can be used as a makeup fixing spray. Not all your toners can be used as a makeup fixing spray, but all your face mists can be used as a fake makeup. So all your mists can be used as like makeup fixing spray. So this is a face mist and a toner. So this can be used as a makeup fixing spray, which is the best part, and I really enjoy using this. I spray it all the time. Next two products are like my repeat purchases. So they sent it to me once in PR, but I loved it that much, so I ordered one more. So these are their day cream and night cream. So as you can see, this is their face cream. I have used like most of it, so I thought it's the best time. Like मैं Pilgrim का सब सामान मंगा रही हूँ, तो let me just order another face cream and night cream also. This has SPF 30, which is the best part. On the days I'm not going out, I just use this face cream and I do not apply a sunscreen. You should not really rely on this sunscreen on a regular basis if you're going out in harsh sun, but if you're not going out, then the sunscreen will be great, because if you are not going out, itna SPF like एक product में जो होता है, that is great for your skin. I'll give this cream like a good 4.5 on 5 because it's very hydrating. पूरा दिन मेरा face hydrated रहता है, and it has a SPF, which is the best part. So that is the reason I've ordered another one, and I am in love with this face cream. So highly recommend. If you want to pick up one thing from this whole lot, just pick up their face cream. It's that good. Now let's come to the night cream. So they sent one to me, right? And this is how much is left. Like ये थोड़ी सी साइड पे आ गई है, बहुत थोड़ा रहता है ये प्रोडक्ट. इसका टेक्सचर इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. इनफैक्ट द फेस क्रीम ऑल्सो, द टेक्सचर इज सो लाइट वेट. ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स हियर हैव लाइक अमेजिंग टेक्सचर, very lightweight, very amazing for summers, and that still has a more like a creamy texture, but the night cream has more like a jelly texture, so I really love that. All their creams come with this packaging, and they also come with like a spatula. So this is yellow in color, right? And the earlier one is like pink in color, so I hope they have just changed the color and nothing else, because I read the ingredients, they are all the same, and I still have to finish my older one to start using the new one. But I'm in love. Like, this is a great night cream. The texture is so lightweight, it's like jelly. This also has like retinol, mulberry and vitamin C, which are all the great products you need in your nighttime skincare routine. You need retinol, like especially people who are above 25 need retinol in their skincare. They can use like a potent retinol also, but like under 25 can use retinol in the product. Like this cream has retinol and other products, so it's great for my age and my skin, and I will highly recommend you guys. Also, I forgot to tell you the ingredients of the face cream, day cream. So this has vitamin C and rosehip oil. So that's amazing. It's very hydrating. The rosehip oil is super hydrating, and vitamin C is again very important for your skincare routine. So I've been using this night cream, and I have recommended this to you a lot of times, so I'm not gonna say much more about it, and I will give this night cream again a 4.5 on 5. Now we are left with just one last product, which is this product right here. So this is their face mask. This has mulberry and rosehip oil, and rosehip oil, I just told you, it's very good for your skin, and mulberry is also. So as you can see, I have used quite a lot of this clay mask, and this is such a great clay mask. You know what most of your clay masks do? They just rip off the oils from your face and it makes your face like super dry. This does not do that. This won't do that. It's not something which is targeted on a specific skin concern. It's a normal clay face mask which will just hydrate your skin and make your skin feel better. So I really love it for that. And if you're facing a specific skin concern, then maybe you can go for a face mask which completes your requirement. But if you are just looking for a good face mask, this is what you can buy. This is a great face mask again. Like, I know that all the products I have told you are really good, but this is how it is, right? Personally, when Pilgrim reached out to me like months ago for the collaboration of the face and night cream, I was like, okay, I've not heard much about your brand. Okay, just send it to me, I'll see. And बाद में मुझे क्या पता था, I would be repurchasing these all and making a full-fledged video on them. And I love these products like from the bottom of my heart. I've given you all my honest reviews. I personally enjoy using this. I'll give it like a 3.5 on 5 because I'm giving it 3.5 because you can't really expect much from it, right? इसमें ऐसा कुछ ये कोई skin concern को target नहीं कर रहा है, so it's just a nice basic clay mask, so I'll give it 3.5, and that's how I will end my review right here. Most of these products received a 4 plus rating, so that's amazing. Pilgrim as a brand is doing great, and this was my non-sponsored review for you all. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments कि next कौन से brand का review देखना चाहते हो. I'm planning to do Mamaearth because I really enjoy using a lot of their products, and कुछ are a miss. So let me know if you wanna see a dedicated video on Mamaearth. I would love to do that for you guys. Until then guys, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you guys in another one. Stay tuned. Bye bye. I love you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, you guys, please. Okay, bye.